Unsure what to pack for your Alaska cruise? You don't want to go to Alaska unprepared. In this video, I'm going to share with you all the must have items I brought on my Alaska cruise, which were all bargain items, and what I wish I would have packed so that your Alaska cruise is a success. Hi, I'm Kristen from thebargainchasingtourist.com. I've been cruising since 2000 and I actually worked on cruise ships for 5 years. I have an entire video dedicated to the clothes to pack for Alaska cruises, and I'll link that below. So definitely check that out to give you some ideas for your Alaska wardrobe. I also have a printable Alaska packing list, which you can find in the description. For now, let's dive into the first crucial accessory to bring to Alaska, which is rain gear. Do not leave home without a protective raincoat or poncho and an umbrella because Alaska gets a lot of rain in the summer. I opted for a bargain poncho because I don't have a lot of opportunity after the cruise to wear an expensive raincoat at home in Arizona. This Hurley poncho is sturdy, it folds up nicely in this reusable case, and it's wide enough in the back that you can wear it over a backpack, which is my next must have Alaska item. Ladies, you want to leave your purses at home. If you get caught in the rain, even if you're wearing a poncho, your purse and its contents may get wet. I wear my backpack in every port. A backpack can also store those extra layers that you take off as you get warm. Make sure binoculars are on your packing list. There's so much to see in Alaska, even from on board the ship, and binoculars help you get closer to the wildlife. Since I traveled with kids, I opted for a budget lightweight option, which worked fine for us. One thing I wish I would have brought is a really nice camera. We rely on smartphones so much, but it is true that the beauty of Alaska was so much more vibrant in person than what my iPhone could capture. You may also want to bring a tripod if you're trying to get a lot of shots on your glacier day. One thing I brought on my Alaska cruise, which you might think is excessive, but I loved, is a cozy throw blanket. The reason being, the extra blankets that the cruise lines offer are a little scratchy. My medical assistant gifted me this ultra soft throw blanket the week before the cruise, and my family cuddled up with this on deck, on the balcony. There's something about the Alaska weather that just makes you want to cozy up and snuggle, so this was perfect. Now back to more practical items for your Alaska cruise, like a hat. You can tell I don't live in a cold or windy environment because I was originally going to pack a hat like this, which would have blown right off the Whale Watch boat. So this is a better option. Cap, beanie, toque if you're Canadian. This was awesome. I love this. It came from Amazon. It was very reasonably priced and it was perfect to keep my head and my ears warm. And also when it started raining, I could just put the hood of my jacket up and keep my hair dry. Every cruise you go on, you need to bring a swimsuit. It doesn't matter if you're going to Alaska or another cold place because there are hot tubs and on some ships there are indoor swimming pools. I can't believe as many times as I've cruised, I've never cruised with these hooks before. These are truly game changers. You have so many things in your room like backpacks, pajamas, raincoats. These are great to hang all of your extra things. Another purpose for these hooks in Alaska is to keep the curtains closed on your veranda or on a window. With the extended daylight hours in Alaska, a lot of the times when we would want to go to sleep, it was still bright outside. So we use these to hold the curtains of the veranda closed to create more darkness in the room. We also used hair clips to close the curtains in the middle, but this we used on the side to keep the ends closed. One thing I would bring next time is a sleep mask to block out all the light. I linked a sleep mask with ambient sounds below. I always cruise with snacks. Why, you ask, when the cruise ship has food available all the time? Well, it's because you can't take food off the ship. I always like to have food available when I go out in port on an excursion, especially when I'm traveling with kids. I'm Kristen from thebargainchasingtourist.com. If you like this type of cruise content, make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure you print my Alaska cruise packing list linked below. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Alaska cruise accessories are, and I hope to see you at sea.